Alright, so this is take 2 of the red hood helmet. The first one failed just below where this one's at now. Failed right about here. On the first one I was running 200 millimeters per second. Now I'm down to 150 millimeters per second, and I'm using a raft. And I also put the filament in the dryer for 8 hours. Still getting some string in, but it's really nothing. It's that whiskey stuff. It's like those little tiny little hairs. So it's not going to leave any marks or anything. I'm at 49% done now. This should be done in 15 hours, I think, from now. So we'll see how it all works out. Got a ways to go yet. But yeah, so far this print is nice. I really like it. It's you know, I got to work out the bugs. Unfortunately, they have a cure for this for the 4 Max, but they're using version 4.8. Why they use version 4.8 as their foundation for their software for this, I don't know. It sucks. It's like, it doesn't make sense. So they do have it for the 3 Max, even though it's not Clipper. It's not designed for Clipper. I'm still using it to slice my prints. I'm still experimenting with things, and we'll see how it all goes. I mean, I might be looking at a different slicer program pretty soon. We'll see. But this is all part of my test right now to see how well this goes. I know when I built the same helmet on my Solvo here, the Solvo took about five hours longer at 50 millimeters per second, which I always run on that. So you save 5 hours here on this one. The first time I did it, I was going to save 11 hours. That's what I would have saved in time to make the same helmet, and it failed. So I just wanted to cut it back a little bit. So I went to 150 millimeters per second, and hopefully it stays on the bed here. I mean, this is my first time with these PEI, these spring metal beds. I like the glass, I really do. I like glass. I've never have any issues with sticking to that printer over there and the Solvo, never. But we'll see. If I have to just use a raft, I'll use a raft from now on. I don't care. They're not so bad. I've had to use them on the Solvo a few times, not very often. But yeah. So let's see how this goes. And I still got, when this is done, I still got to do the back of the helmet. So that'll be interesting to see too. That I might try it at 200, because the way it positions itself to build up off the bed, it's got more surface area to print from. So we'll see how that goes. So hang in there and stay tuned. Okay, 81% complete. Looking really good. The rafts are definitely helping. I'm thinking I could have went at 200 instead of the 150 with rafts, and I think it would have been all right. But after the first failure, I just didn't want to take another chance on it. But I will increase speeds as I go once I get confident in the printer. But it's coming out good. It's almost done. It's very smooth. And you don't even feel the print lines. It is 0.15, but my Solvo, it looked good too, but I could always feel the print lines. This is a little different. So I can't wait till it's done. Really check it out. See exactly how it feels. All right, don't mind the printer over there. That Neptune 4 Max is flying, shaking all the desk up here. These things are solid. I can't even believe they move. But this is the Red Hood helmet, all primed up and looking like it needs just one more prime and another sand. You can still see some lines in there, maybe even putty. Let's see. In the back piece here, this looks actually like it's ready for paint. I mean, maybe one more light prime, that'd be it, but that came out nice. I can still see some things in here I gotta attend to. But yeah, it's coming out pretty good. All right, so it's coming along really good. I just got done putting the silver backing paint on Red Hood's helmet. Come out pretty nice. Come out pretty nice right there. And this was the primer right before I did that. So this is going to be painted next. All right, the front and back pieces of the helmet complete. Got the backing paint already done, the silver backing paint. Getting ready for the red metal cast right here, which I've used on Spider-Man, Iron Man helmets, and other things. It's a great paint, great combination of paint. Some people like putting gold under the red. I like the silver. Comes out good. So I guess that's the next step here. I'm gonna get the red on, and then we got to do some black and some trim, getting these lines and do the black eyes. But yeah, it's coming out really nice. And I'm working on something now. We're gonna see if I can do it. Yeah, I'm gonna do the Black Panther helmet. So I've had that helmet for a long time, but I've been struggling to do it because the build plate on my SVO1, it really was tight to do it there. And with my new Neptune 4 Max, I can do it on that no problem. And I'm slicing it for I'm slicing it for 200 millimeters per second at 0.16 resolution, and just the front half of the helmet, it's coming in at 1 day and 13 hours. That's pretty good. I mean, I've known other people say it was 5 hours, and I think on my Solvo, I do kind of remember putting it in there at 50 millimeters per second on the Solvo, and it was close to 5 hours. It's not 100%. I did fit it to my head. It's just under 100%, and I they're not. It's not equal. It's not like 100%. Matter of fact, I got it right here. It's easier just to say. Let's see, what do I got here? I got so it's 91.9% on the X, 84% on the Y, and 87% on the Z, and that seemed to fit the SDL on my head that I have. That and I'm still tweaking that SDL because it wasn't right. So I actually took some more measurements of my head with these awesome calipers that I 3D printed, and these are nice. You can get these on Thingiverse for free. They come out really nice. And again, on the Solvo, this would have made it. Very, corner to corner, it might have made it. But on this new Max I got, the 4 Max, oh my God, it's nothing. Just put them on there. They print it out so quick, and they come out so nice. It's like, I mean, the little clip you put in there is perfect. It's like it's no issues. Everything works good. Yeah, so this is almost done. So probably the next time you see this, it'll probably be done. All right, that's it. Red Hood helmet's done. All complete. Came out good. Looks awesome. That's that red metal cast with the silver metal cast backing paint I use. Come out good. Fits good. I got the cushions inside. I got some cushions set up in there. Very comfortable. Very comfortable to wear. So right now, my Neptune 4 Max is working on the back half of the Black Panther helmet. The front half was a nightmare to make on this printer. Yeah, hard to believe, because I did this this Red Hood helmet on a Neptune 4, and it came out beautiful. But the Black Panther helmet, there's so much detail in it, and some reason it was just going so fast. Even though I slowed it down to 150, I kept getting Y shifts on it, and you'll have to see the video, the one after this one, when it comes out, because I'll tell you, yeah, I almost sent this printer back. I almost sent it back, but I will say this: I switched over to Orca Slicer just for that printer, and made a big difference. It made a big difference. So I was able to get the helmet done. Now I'm working on the back half, and I'm still tweaking it. But that Elegoo Cura slicer that comes with the Neptune 4 Max, that thing needs work. Needs work. It's too bad because it printed this one out great, but this one was it didn't have the detail like that other helmet has. You just, when it's moving around printing it, it's just, I don't know, it's not moving as fast. That thing was shaking. The whole table's over here so bad. Once in a while I still get a little shake from it. See, right now it's shaking a little bit because I'm printing that back piece right there. The helmet for Black Panther. But it was shaking so bad, I even had the spool unravel on top of it. The spool dispenser up top unraveled and just messed up the whole machine. Woke up to that one morning. It's all in the video. You'll see the video. If you want to see what I'm talking about, you're gonna have to see the video. But this Red Hood helmet was really cool. I'm glad I did this one. I like it. I like it. I did the black lines through it with the black eyes. That was airbrushed. The lines were painted, hand painted. They come out good. It's like very clean, very clean. Everything just came out nice. So stay tuned and look for my next video. So subscribe, hit the bell so you'll get all my notifications of my new videos. I got a lot going on right now. I got other prints I've done that I'm still gonna finish and make videos for those. So this one's done. It's gonna go on the shelf. And the Black Panther is the next one I'll start sanding and getting it ready. Alright, thanks for watching.